In this video, I want to talk about this Aroeve Air Purifier. This is a model MK-01, and it's a nice compact size. And the reason I got this was because, you know, I obviously like to breathe fresh air, but also I have it next to my bed. I've always slept with a fan on, and I figured might as well, if I'm running a fan, it might as well be an air purifier and clean the air at the same time. So as far as settings go, you have one right here, and that's actually what I sleep with, just kind of quiet. And then two, obviously it gets much louder. And then there's a sleep one here, a sleep function that will go even quieter. But I like to sleep with a noise. And then you can set a timer right here, 6 hours, 12 hours, 24 hours. Just by doing that. So if you wanted the sleep function on for 6 hours, you leave it like that, 12 hours, 24 hours, or on all the time. So what'll happen after the filter gets dirty like this, and by the way, this is 2,000 hours of use, so obviously it's doing something. I don't have an air quality test or anything like that for you, but this is what it looks like after 2,000 hours, like I said. And what will happen is a red light will pop up right here to let you know that you need to change the filter. And to change the filter, it's really easy. You just go underneath here, turn this counterclockwise, and there's my brand new filter. Much cleaner than the old one. Just throw that in there and throw the cover back on, just like that. And you're good to go for another 2,000 hours. Oh, after you put the filter in, you hold this right here, this button right here, for a couple seconds, and the red light will go away. So you're not going to be stuck with that red light. But so far, I've had it about a year. It's working. Like I said, I don't have an air quality test for you, but it's a nice compact size. It helps me sleep at night with the noise, and I know that it is cleaning the air because you can see here, obviously, you don't want that floating around in your house and breathing that in. So if you wanted to know about the Aroeve Air Purifier, I hope this video helps. Thanks for watching.